Okay, the temperature is 32 degrees out and the feels like it's 23 degrees out with the wind chill because it's 10 miles per hour and we're getting a snow squall, and so it's going to drop. The temperatures are going to drop crazy tonight. You can see they're 30 degrees right now and it's going to go down to 3 degrees. The temperatures aren't going to drop yet, but this is the high of the day at 136. You can see the snow is blowing like Blizzard-X conditions. Okay, 10 minutes later, check this out. Look how hard it's coming down. You can see the visibility starting to drop. It's getting really dark. This is what the camera's picking up, and this is what it really looks like out there when I lowered the brightness. It's getting dark out there. It's very gloomy out. Whoa. Holy cow, look at that. Void out conditions right there. That's no camera effects. Look at that. Holy cow. Wow, that's ridiculous. Oh my god, this is so cool. I can't even see the bridge anymore. Well, on the camera, but not on the person. Look at the deck now. Holy cow. Whoa! Soon we won't be able to see the fence in a few seconds. This is crazy. There's a dangerous snow squall. Over there. You get me? Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Holy cow, we're getting like snow nados right here. Gust nados, but with the snow right. Whoa, it's a whiteout condition. Look at the wind. Oh, it's hard to talk with the wind blowing in your mouth and the snow. Look at this. I'm gonna walk down backwards and wave your hand when you can't see me. You stay there. When you can't see me, I'm gonna disappear. Look, I'm already halfway down. Look how much more the visibility is. This is crazy. Look, the ground's already coated within 10-15 minutes. Wow. I can't even see our neighbor's house from over here. It's crazy. It's whiteout conditions. He's a little dramatic and excited. You saw my videos, now watch his description of the storm.
We've been talking about it, we've been anticipating it, and so finally it is here. But when that snow squall hit, I called into the station to tell them it was here, and if it had lasted another 15 to 20 minutes, I'll tell you we would have probably had a lot more snow.
No, it wouldn't have. We would have had a half-inch of snow.
So powerfully, and we were inside of our vehicle, Liz, and it was rocking. It felt like we were in the middle of a big hurricane.
That's a little dramatic.
But it was pretty scary.
Wait until he sees the temperatures plummet. It didn't even drop yet by him.
About power outages, and of course,
He's not even looking at the camera. He's too excited. Just ridiculously crazy just happened on the Weather Channel. Check this out. 26 degrees at 3:06. Now watch this. 22 degrees. It just dropped 4 degrees within that 10-second interval that they just showed. Okay, it's now 4:09 p.m. and temperatures are now down to 21 degrees. Look at that. This out now is hitting New York now. We got it for our area. Now look at this. 32 degrees. It's gonna drop crazy.
Long Island.
Look at that, it just dropped to 26 degrees. It just dropped 6 degrees within 10 seconds. On the Weather Channel, it dropped 4 degrees. Okay, we're already getting gusts up to 12 miles per hour, and it feels like the wind chill's already down into the single digits. Like I mentioned, I didn't capture before in the teens, but now it's single digits, and it could even go down to 6 degrees if it went up to 14, but I didn't capture it in time. 2 hours later now, and it's down to, oh, it just dropped again, 19 degrees. So it's about 13-degree drop in 2 hours. Holy cow, that's crazy. We just got a wind gust of 25 miles per hour. Look at that. And then outdoor temperature is 19 degrees. It feels like 1 degree already. Look at that. I had to run to get my phone. It was crazy. Look at that. It was on the charger. 25-mile wind gust. I captured it in time. Just went down, back up to 19 degrees. So we're almost at negative temperatures now with the wind chills. It's now 5:30. It's now 3 hours later, and it's now down to 12 degrees. An hour ago, it was 17. So it dropped 5 degrees in this hour from 4:30 to 5:30. Okay, check this out. This contrast of the temperature. That's the 32-degree contrast gradient, and this is the single digits right here in the pink. Look at this. Holy cow, now we're in the pink. We just went in the pink. Okay, it's now 8 degrees and the wind chill's -4. Now we're in negatives now because the miles per hour is 8 miles per hour wind gust, and it just dropped from 12 degrees to 8 degrees within 1 hour. So it's dropping another 4 degrees. I thought it was going to start to bottom out a little bit slowly, drop like a normal day, but it's still dropping 4 degrees an hour. That feels like -10, 14 mile per hour winds, and the temperature is now 7 degrees at 7 o'clock. Holy cow, this is usually what we saw last Monday on the high. So we're going to get down to -20, -30 with the feels like wind chills. Okay, we're live here on Reba Avenue at David's Mill Pond. Right here, you can see, unfortunately, it didn't freeze, but I was surprised because Wednesday night it dropped like a rock. It went from 32 degrees, it went down all the way down to 0 degrees. Thursday, it went down to 4 degrees with a high of 16, the 21 degrees yesterday, and a low of 7 degrees this morning. You can see there's icicles over there, and there's people ice fishing over there. That's pretty cool. You don't see that too often in New Jersey. And today is Groundhog's Day. You can see I see my shadow, so I'm saying 6 more weeks of winter right here. Punxsutawney Phil didn't see his shadow, so that means early spring. You can see there's people ice fishing over there. That's pretty cool. You don't see that too often in New Jersey.